Hello my loves, welcome to my channel guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a very highly requested video. I get these questions a lot in the comment section. What oils do I use on my hair and what oils I use in my oil mixture bottle that I always use. But today we could make it together, you guys. Let's get started. I'm starting off with coconut oil, which is my favorite oil for my hair, and then I'm moving on to the African healing oil by I'll put it down below, you guys. I love this oil, and half of the bottle I leave for my skin. I use it on my skin also. Now moving on to the wild growth oil. You guys, you need to add this to your oil mixture. If you do not have it, add this to your oil mixture, the wild growth hair oil. So I'm putting like half the bottle, and now I'm using the Rosemary Jamaican black castor oil, and it has a lot in this bottle, guys, so I have a lot left over to use for other months or whatever. And this is the Sunny Isle brand, and it's the Rosemary Jamaican black castor oil. And I'm gonna put a good amount of this one because that's the one that really promotes hair growth. So yeah, as you can see, I put more of it than the other oils. And yeah, this is the peppermint oil, guys. And peppermint oil is stimulate your scalp, so please, if you don't have, go get any kind, any brand. You really need peppermint oil, especially if you're trying to grow your edges back, or you have bald spots anywhere. Peppermint oil is the key. And yeah, guys, this is it. That's basically all I add to my hair oil. It's very simple. Use whatever oils you prefer, like whatever your hair likes. I've been using these 6 oils plus more, but I put it down to 6. But I've been using these for about 3 years. The same oil mixture. Even when I was loose natural, I've always used this oil mixture, and my hair has always been nice and thick and strong. Even when I dye it, guys, I've dyed my hair plenty of time. Not only when I was locked, but when I was loose natural, I bleached my hair too. So you guys, take your time and really get through your hair and massage, because massaging also I cannot say that word for nothing. Stimulate your scalp and makes the blood flows, which promotes your hair to grow. So yeah, guys, massage your scalp, and oil. It's really the most important key to our hair, I really think, in my opinion. Oiling and massaging. And if you're new to my channel and you didn't know, I do not use any products other than my oil mixture and rose water for retwist, for moisturizing, for styling. That's all I will use. I'll add a little gorilla snot to lay my edges, but that's it. Nothing else. Just oil and rose water. Saving money, guys. So you're saving money and you're growing hair naturally. What? Come on now, we're winning. We are winning. You guys can see my scalp is really moisturized and shiny. My hair is looking shinier and bouncier from the oils and stuff. That's what you want. That's what we want, right guys? We want pretty shiny bouncy hair. And let's not forget thick. We want that fullness in our hair also, guys. And the wild growth really helps with the fullness. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I enjoyed making this video for you guys. And subscribe if you haven't, and I love you guys. Bye.